So here we have our 3 liters air humidifier with Essential Oil Diffuser, and we'll be checking it out right after the intro. So here is our air humidifier right here. The capacity is 3 liters. The normal operating power used is 5 volts. We have a total of 2 foglets. In terms of the spray, so there's a continuous spray, intermittent, and the alternate spray. So as you can see, we have the white version right here. They also have the pink version, so you can also opt to get that one. So from the box, we have some user manual, a micro USB cable, some oil scents right here, and our actual air humidifier right here. So this is not a rechargeable item. It has to be plugged all the time via a wall socket or a power bank using this micro USB cable right here. This is a double nozzle humidifier. In terms of the dimensions, this measures 151 by 151 by 251 millimeters. Power draw is 3.5 to 4 watts, and spray amount is approximately 180 to 210 milliliters per hour. This is ABS plastic. In terms of the material used, 3 spray modes, 8 hours of spray when you use continuous spray for the 3 liters that we are going to put in here. And if it is intermittent spray, it claims can function for 16 hours straight. That's the on and off switch right there on the left. And this is where we plug in our micro USB cable. So this, by the way, right here is illuminated by light. That part right here, and we will see it later. And those are the 2 foglets which was mentioned earlier. That is where the spray would be coming out from our humidifier right here. So to open up our humidifier, you can grab the handle right here gently and lift it up like so. These tubes connecting our spray nozzles on top, so you can open this like so. It's just snap right there, and it contains 2 cylindrical foams right here. This is foam right here, and it is inside this tube. Those foams, we have to soak them for 2 to 3 minutes, of course with water, before turning on our humidifier. So remember to do that if you are using your humidifier for the first time. Okay, there's spring also down there for our cylindrical foams, as you can see here, right there. So there are openings in here on the tube wherein water can seep in and go inside our mechanism right there and come out as spray on top. So if we look inside our container, it's bare. That is where we would put in 3 liters of water. It's a fairly huge container right here for our air humidifier. So for this demo, we are using our power bank right here. I have already inserted the micro USB cable right there. All we need to do is plug it in to our air humidifier right here so that we can power it up. So now it is time to put on some water on our air humidifier right now. So we have put the water on our humidifier right here, as well as some scent right here. We used lemon this time. Now we are ready to insert our micro USB cable on the back right here to try and power up our air humidifier. So there we go. So as you have seen, a glimpse of the light right there when we inserted our micro USB cable, right? Just a while ago. So the light, to turn it on, because you can use this with the light or without. So to turn on the light, all you need to do is press on the on and off button for 3 seconds. So you get the light. If you want to turn it off, do the same thing. 3-second long press on the on and off button. So now we're gonna try and turn on the lights. So we are going to press the on and off button for 3 seconds. Let's see if we can get the light up. And there we go. That is a great feature, right guys? It is illuminating. Wow. Yes, it's kind of relaxing right there. Just pulsating into different colors. I think I would leave it like this. There are 3 spray modes available for our air humidifier right here. So the first one is the continuous spray. So to do that, press the button once, like so. So first press of the button is the continuous spray. And there we go. Our air humidifier is now working with the lights on. So that is the continuous spray right there. It uses both nozzles or foglets. So to go to the alternate spray mode, you just have to press the on and off button once again. So let's go to the alternate spray mode. So that right there is the alternate spray mode with the lights on right there. The air humidifier only uses 1 foglet at a time. And for the last spray mode, which is the intermittent spray mode, you just need to press the on and off button one more time. So there you go. As you can see, the humidifier is still using both foglets, but there is an interval to the spray. This really looks good. So to turn the spray off, all you need to do is press the button one more time. And there we go. Make sure that you pull out the micro USB cable right there before servicing the unit, adding water or adding scents to it so as to be on the safe side. So there you go guys, hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this 3 liters air humidifier with oil diffuser white variant right here. So those spray modes are really good options. If you wanted, if ever, to prolong the spray, you use the intermittent. So it should last for 16 hours if you have 3 liters of water. If you only need 8 hours, you can use the continuous or alternate spray modes. So you should be able to get 8 hours from that. And the illuminating colors, the LED lights around our foglets right there, is really relaxing. And this unit is a quiet unit. It's a quiet operation right here. You can barely hear anything from the unit. Slightly just hear the spray right there. So there you go guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.